Hey there, this is Rachel. You wanted me to demonstrate how to subtract using the strategy subtracting from 5. So basically, all we're doing is comparing rows. So one of the, I have this on the wrong side. One of the examples they give is 7 minus 4. So what we're going to do is put 7 on the top wire, 4 on the next one, and we're going to see where the difference is. So that would be 3. So we line these up, and we can see that the difference between those two is 3. Let's try another one. Let's see. We have 9 minus 2, ignoring those and seeing how many's left, which is 7. Let me see if I can find one more here on this list. Let's see. Another one is 8 minus 4. We remove those 4, and we see what's left, which is 4. So anyway, I hope that helps. Feel free to let me know if you have any other questions. Take care. Bye.